Yo, 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 what's going on YouTube? What's up to my RC fam? In today's video, I will be giving away some RC products for the holidays. Actually, I'm doing this because, I just want to give back, especially to my subscribers, the ones that stuck around with me, and that's still here. So really, this is for y'all. I just want to thank y'all for the support and the continued support. So, all right, this is what I'll be giving away. So this right here, I'll be giving away a 1/10 scale fan with a heat sink on there. Well, together you'll get this. You get these two together, and you'll get this 25 kilogram servo Amazon brand. So this one right here will be these two right here will be to come together. So you get this as one. And over here, I will be giving away a set of Vendetta Hooms 11s. Right here, brand new. All right, and right here, I will be giving away a SEMA X22W little first-person view drone. Comes with a battery and a charger. A camera on there so you can record from your phone. It's just like a little drone. You can fly indoors. You probably can fly outdoors too when there's not too much wind. So this is what I'll be giving away too. And finally, and last but not least, I will be giving away this WPL 116 C14 RC rock crawler. This the one you'll be getting right here. It's the red one. This the one that comes with it. Comes with a battery. Comes with a charger. It's 4-wheel drive. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I think I seen a video of it on YouTube somewhere. I think one of my somebody that I follow, and it's nice. 116. Yeah. So this is what I'll be giving away. So all you have to do, just write down in the comments below, is just put hashtag holiday 2022 and you'll be entered. You will have until next Sunday. I think that's December the 18th. Next Sunday is the cutoff. And that's when I'll be doing the drawing. And probably I'll try to get it out. I hope I could get it out before Christmas, so you can have it before Christmas. But if not, you'll probably get it after, because I know how the shipping is around this time. It's going to be crazy, hectic. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and for sticking around with me and liking and commenting my videos. This is like really for y'all. And I want to say happy holidays to everyone. Hope everyone out here being safe. And peace. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.